Welcome to Ike Cultural Village. This looks like an ancient African village, but what's inside is shocking. Let's go in. Ike Cultural Village is located right here in Kumasi, and it is found within the Center for National Culture, and it's just some short walk from the KJTR market and the historic Manye Palace. Ike Cultural Village is a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity, and it is one of the best tourist spots in Kumasi. So if you want food, culture, peace and music in one place, Ike Cultural Village is the place for you. From the outside, the place feels like a traditional village with clays, walls and wooden decorations. But inside, you'll find a restaurant, hotel rooms, bars, music and so much more. The hotel rooms are clean, cozy, and full of African-style decorations. Whether you're a tourist or a local, it's a great place to relax and enjoy Ghanaian culture. Guys, I'm going to have a one-on-one conversation with one of the workers there, and so we know more about this place and what inspired them. So I'm with the barista and the bartender, and I'm going to ask him just one question. What inspired this place? So, hello. What inspired this place?
The inspiration behind Ike Cultural Village is just the deep love we have for the African culture. Not just the African culture, but the way we live and the food and the music we play. So here, when you come any part of the world at all, if you want to have a feel of Africa, this is where you will have it.
Okay.
And you have varieties of African dishes.
Okay.
Like the egusi with eba.
Oh, that's the Nigerian food.
Yeah, the Nigerian food.
Okay.
And we have the Nigerian jollof.
Nigerian jollof.
Yes.
As well as the Ghanaian jollof.
Yes, we have that one also. And when you come to the drinks, we have our local, like we have what is called the sewa slash. That one is something that you can resist. Really? It's very nice. It's very nice. It's
made of what?
It's made of ginger, sobolo, local ram, and then with some ice cubes with mint blended together. So that's what we call it. It's named after the owner of Ice Cafe.
Oh, okay.
And that's called sewa slash. So Ice Cafe has a lot to offer.
Okay.
When it comes to the Americans, we have the American dishes. Then a place where you can find waffle with chicken. So you have a lot to offer.
Amazing.
So we entreat people to come around and have a family, anything at all that you want to do at Ice Cafe. We are ready for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
I can see peacocks. I've seen like 3 here. What other like birds do you?
We have the guinea fowl, we have the parrot over there, and now we have a monkey.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mr. David.
Mr. David.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a monkey.
Okay. They have this big river there with lots of catfish in it, and you can buy catfish food and feed them with it, and it is such a beautiful moment to behold. And you don't only have to feed the catfish, you can also relax by this serene riverside and just enjoy the view. So, if you love snacks and desserts, you're going to enjoy this because they serve freshly baked cakes, like different types of cakes: chocolate, vanilla, red velvet, croissants, soft, flaky, and it's perfect with tea. They also make Kumasi chocolates, and it is very rich, smooth, and 100% Ghanaian. Plus, they also have classic Ghanaian snacks like tale tale, kose, gari soakings, abolo with shrimps, So guys, whether you are in the mood for something sweet, spicy or traditional, you will find it here. So guys, this is the bartender at the Continental Bar. So let's talk to him. So this is the Continental Bar. Is it true that like we can get every drink that we want? A bit like what?
That will go, red, black label, that.
Okay.
And then we have 200 ml. The red label 200 ml. The black label. Then we have cognacs.
Okay.
Yes, open Martins. Yes. And then yes, open. We have Jameson. Water and then Thomas Crown.
Okay.
Then we have Martin.
Okay.
Campari.
Wow.
Master. Kalua. We have this.
We have tequila.
We have tequila.
Okay. Nice. Guys. Wow.
Yeah.
Guys, they literally have everything here. So what are you waiting for? Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
So they are Mexican drinks, right? They are Mexican wines.
And we have golden dry gin.
Okay.
We have Fita, and Tanquil number 10.
Wow.
We have Malibu, and Captain Morgan Dark. This is our ram here, it's Captain Morgan. And we have syrup vodka, and pineapple.
Okay.
And syrup pineapple. Spin-off apple, and spin-off vodka. We have apple.
So guys, let's talk about the buffet. Ike Cultural Village or Ice Cafe and Grill mostly offers buffet on Sundays, and this is some of the food. They have fufu with palm nut soup or groundnut soup or light soup with any meat of your choice. They have banku with okra stew, grilled tilapia with pepper or groundnut soup, kinky, whether gown or fancy kinky with fried fish, shito, and many more. They have kokonte, which is also called freeze the wall, with groundnut soup or palm nut soup or dry okra soup. They also have tuozafi, and which goes with ayoyo. They have akbele with a gushi stew or peanut stew. They have eba with light soup or okra stew. They have rice balls, like different types of rice balls, and you can see me enjoying my local rice ball with palm soup and some goat meat. And guys, that's not all. They also have ampesi with some condomere stew and garden stew, tomato stew. And guys, they have wache, jollof rice, fried rice, plain rice, gari foto, yam and plantain, ampesi, red, chofi. It's a lot. Like, you can, anything that you want to eat at all, you can find it at Ike Cultural Village.
That's a twister.
What's your name?
Afiba. What's your name?
Sasha.
Please, where are you from?
London.
How did you find it? What did you type?
I think it was just kind of Kumasi accommodation.
Yeah, Kumasi accommodation, and then this kind of came out. Yeah, we wanted to come.
We've heard a lot about the culture The Ashanti Kingdom. Yeah, a special culture here. So we flew this morning from Accra.
And what do you think about it?
It's been about 40 minutes, but the beer's lovely.
And you, what do you think about it?
Really wanted to come here to see the markets.
Okay. Have you seen the market? Like it is.
Not yet.
Yeah, but we heard it was one of the largest in West Africa.
Is there a special reason? Yeah, is there a special reason that this became the biggest market, or like is there a historical reason, or just the population is so dense that the fact that it is the biggest market?
I don't want to give you false information.
Last chat. But it's a lovely space, a lovely area, very rich with culture.
Yeah.
And we're looking forward to exploring.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So right here at Ike Cultural Village, they don't just serve food, they teach you how to make it from scratch. So today I'm going to witness some, so let's go and see how the whole thing turned out. So let's So apart from the African cooking classes, which is part of the hotel package, but it is optional, they also have live music and karaoke nights, like I said before, and they also have a VIP area if you want something more private, and a point and kill joint where you choose fresh fish and they cook it right away. And guys, let me show you more of this beautiful place. Everything here shows off Ghanaian culture. The food, the music, the clothes, and the designs of the place. It's not just a hotel or restaurant, it's an experience. This place feels like it was frozen in time. It's not just a place to stay, it's a place to remember us, who we truly are. So guys, anytime you are in Ghana or Kumasi, make sure to pass by. And also don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.